What up, YouTube? So we back. Welcome to Rich Life, and today we have your Super Bowl snack. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make some mozzarella sticks, cheese sticks. And as you see here, we got the cheese sticks. We have breadcrumbs, egg wash, and flour. So those are what we're going to be using today. And basically it's real simple. Nice stuff to just kind of gather the family together. You can use however many you want. I don't want to make that many, so we're just going to do these and kind of cut them in half. And yeah, so you guys just stay along, follow the process. This is a countdown to Super Bowl, so we'll be uploading daily. Just kind of giving little snacks that you can kind of have, different varieties, while you enjoy the big game. So here we go. And open these up. And before you get started, so you might want to just have everything prepped out, kind of like how I had it laid out here. You definitely want to season, or if you have seasoned breadcrumbs, you can use those as well. Mine were plain, so what I did was I added some seasoning here, salt, pepper, add a little bit of Parmesan cheese and Italian seasoning. Just kind of give it a good bark. You could, I guess, season your flour. Not really needed though. Your seasoning is pretty much going to come from here. If I can get these open. And anybody who's making these as a chef treat, you're supposed to take one out for yourself and eat it while you make the video, or while you make the recipe. Some ASMR right there. Get that out the way. Alright, so you just want to take them and cut them in half. Just like that. Alright, so first things first. These are a lot. In here, nice coat. And then into the wash. Make sure that's all coated. Nice little drip. Then we go to our bread and just kind of move it around. Cover it as much real estate as you can. What you don't want to happen is your cheese to fall out in the fryer. So yeah, no bueno. Then we're gonna go one more time back in the wash. And then back in the bread. Now after you get all of these done, what you want to do is you want to get you a pan, set it aside, and what that's going to do is it's going to hold your cheese sticks, because you're going to have to put them in the freezer. Put them in the freezer, I don't know, 30 minutes, maybe an hour, just so everything kind of marries together, and again, you don't fall apart once you get into the fryer. So that's what it should look like. And then in the pan it'll go to set in the freezer for an hour. Like so. Voila. So we'll do the rest of these, and then we'll be in the freezer for an hour, and we'll be back. We'll let that come up to temperature. I did it on like 350. Right? I don't want them cooked per se. I want them cooked. What I'm trying to say is I don't want them burnt. So you know, just so the cheese melts all the way through and it's not, you know, and that has a lot to do with if it's frozen or not. So you don't want it frozen. You kind of just want you see that? That's what you want. Everything's together. It's not frozen all the way through. It's just chilled. And so you see everything's one. And that's what you want when you want to drop it in the grease. steaks are done. Oh, let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. Nice. Oh, look at that. Look at there. And that's what you have.
Mozzarella sticks.
Yeah.